Today I'm going to demonstrate how to apply chalk mountain wax onto a piece of painted furniture. I'm using the color Pearl. I'm going to apply a good amount onto the brush and go in circular motions. Once I'm sure I get a good amount on, I go back in longer brushes. Then you have to let it sit for 40 minutes. After it's been sitting for 40 minutes, you take a dry absorbent rag and you just go across it and wipe it all down. But for this time, you let it sit for about 12 hours and then you wipe it down again, getting all the excess wax off. Once completed, you will have yourself a satiny finish.